Hello, welcome back to the Microsoft Excel training. We're going to be looking at another function today. Today, we are looking at the upper function. In Microsoft Excel, changing case is not as easy as just selecting a text and selecting an option to change the text. Changing text in Excel requires the use of a function or use macros to automate the process. In this training, we are going to be looking at how to change a text case from lowercase to the uppercase, and maybe from the proper case, that is where the first letter is capitalized, to all in caps, uppercase. So join me in the class as we see how this can be done. All right, the function upper function is a text function in Microsoft Excel. And what it does is that it converts all letters in a text string to uppercase. So the syntax is equal sign, you type the word upper, you open the bracket and put your text, or you reference your text. The key features here is that it converts all lowercase letter to uppercase. It does not affect numbers or special characters, and it is useful for standardizing text formatting. So join me in the Excel sheet as we see how this simple function can be used. So back to the Microsoft Excel worksheet. So let's say we have some text that are in lowercase. So let's say we have John Doe, Mary Doe, Paul Doe, Sam Doe, and James Doe. So all these texts are in lowercase. Okay? In Microsoft Word, you can easily select this and just choose your text case option under the font section. But in Excel, you don't have it. You can only increase font, change the font color, and so. So to apply that, you use the function equals upper. Then you select your text, you use your enter key, and you can see that you have the, the uppercase function. And since we are dealing with text function, you can even use the left or the right function, which we'll be looking at in the future also, to work with this. So, what is the text? This is the text. And what are you bringing out? You are bringing out the third character. You are bringing out the three characters from the left. So what I'm saying is, if you do this, you get this. But you can also attach the function to it to make it isolate that character and still give you just that in uppercase. Okay? So what I'm trying to show you is that you can attach the uppercase function to another function to make it do what it's meant to do, is to change the case of text, but it can apply to several other functions where there's a need to change a text string into uppercase. So see you in another session where we'll be looking at another text function. Bye for now.